Hello, this man is Ahmed. He owns 10 hectares of land where he plants seeds. Last year, he produced 38 metric tons of wheat, but he could have produced 50 metric tons if he only knew when exactly to water the plants, what pesticide and what fertilizer to use, and how to use them effectively, ways to minimize the loss during his entire season. These problems are not only faced by Ahmed, but by every single farmer all over the world. The experience they have in agriculture isn't sufficient to help them improve their productivity. So there is a need to improve productivity and reduce costs, to minimize the waste and the loss caused by bad decision taking, and to know the need of the market so they can adapt. Here is where AGROTECH comes. We are targeting two main parts, which are: the first is the farmers, where the robot that uses data retrieved from different sensors gathers them and sends them to the cloud to be processed using AI and machine learning algorithms. The results will help farmers to make decisions and monitor the results. These results will then be saved back to the cloud to be used for the future suggestions. There is also going to be a quality factor that is going to be generated based on the data and the decisions taken by the farmers. Then, the market. The market can see the quantity produced and the quality factor of each farmer. This will build a connection between the farmer and the market to get direct access to the needs and select the products based on the quality required.
Agriculture is growing day after day, and yet the technological interest in this domain is so small. We have Vague Alert, a system that helps early diagnosis of problems. It is a Spanish solution that is based on prediction that isn't really accurate. There is also Blue River, an American technology that uses AI to identify plants on the field and either sprays pesticide or fertilizer based on the plant's need. It is a very expensive solution to be used by farmers. There are also many technologies that may be considered as smart, but adding them to the graph, we will notice that we have a gap for AGROTECH. Moving on to competition, our competitor is a German mobile app called Plantix. It helps users identify diseases and insects on plants using AI. They are trying to expand their projects and focus more on farmers. We have the advantage of suggestion solutions and constant reporting and monitoring for farmers, a feature that doesn't exist in Plantix. For the revenue stream, here is where things are getting interesting. How are we going to generate income? AGROTECH isn't just a normal robot, it's an entire system with multiple services. Those services, alongside with the robot, require a yearly membership of $200. Plus the $150 the price for the sensors and the entire setup. There is also going to be sponsors and advertisements for different agricultural products suggested to the farmers.
Remote technologies are used more than ever to monitor and manage our natural resources, such as air and water. That's what we'll do in AGROTECH. We will take advantage of those remote technologies. Our adequate sensors that are put in the soils of the farmers will detect data, then send it directly to our servers. What will happen in those servers? In those servers, this data will be treated by our AI algorithms. Oh yes, we will use AI. We will take advantage again of the power of the AI. The output is then sent directly to the farmers with detailed instructions on what should they do to get a better production. So now let's get to the how. How can AGROTECH make it happen? So remember the data, that data that is accumulated by the monitoring sensor. Well, we'll add to the data some production data, observation data and reference data, and some identification data of plants and animals. All of that will be integrated into the algorithms. The algorithms then will send some credible information to the farmers. Those are the instructions that are sent to the farmers to have a better welfare and healthier and more productive livestock and vegetation. The agriculture industry is looking for new ways to manage, monitor, and optimize resources such as money, time, and resources, which are fertilizers. Connected devices and monitoring devices such as our sensors are the solution. They are the new way for the agriculture industry. AGROTECH will align with the best in the fertilizing and pesticide industry to give the farmer a better experience. We, the AGROTECHs, will be the intermediates between the farmers and these companies to give him a unique substance to his field for a better production.
Morocco will be a powerful start point for our project. We will focus first on marketing and invest to improve our system. Then, after establishing a good reputation in the Moroccan market, we will move to the next step, which is extending our geography from Morocco to nearby countries that have a powerful impact on agriculture sector. By 2024, we will have funds to make AI for cattle management. Now, when it comes to the impact, first, responsible consumption and production. Using the continuously data stored in the server, AGROTECH will allow farmers to easily monitor and improve productivity. 2. Economical growth. Generating a sustainable food supply for a large number of people requires agricultural innovation by developing added value, which is another way of creating jobs and, as a result, more incomes. Finally, no poverty, no hunger. Agriculture must get smarter to end poverty and hunger. Smarter farming saves resources, both natural and financial, which means keeping money in the pocket. Agriculture makes a robust foundation, and it helps to build a more stable society, affording millions of people a better life. We are a team of 4 strongly motivated members, a team ready to face all challenges to reach our goals. We are AGROTECH. Thank you.